APP have been providing specialist building, preservation and waterproofing services throughout East Anglia since 1967 and are the longest established remedial treatment company in the area. Structural waterproofing of both new and existing buildings is one of our specialities. Our technicians are highly trained and NVQ qualified to ensure you get the best results, backed by a reliable company with years of experience. We are members of the Property Care Association and registered with a government-endorsed Trust Mark scheme. Our PCA membership and qualifications enable us to offer you the protection of a genuine insurance-backed guarantee. We also have a range of other preservation solutions for your property, which include rising or penetrating damp, condensation or mould problems, wall tie problems, knotweed in your garden, flood damage and protection. For more information, why not visit our website or give us a call on 01223 244 515.